To replace the clock spring and switches, you will first need to disconnect the battery, remove the steering wheel and the switch assembly. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks. Depending on how your Cayenne is optioned, your assembly may be different than ours. There is a very small T4 Torx screw that assists in holding the clock spring to the stock switches and indicated by the red arrow. Before you remove the spring, make sure to mark its position, especially if you are reinstalling it, red arrow. If you are installing a new spring sensor, you will need to recalibrate it. Remove the small screw. There are 4 clips, red arrows, 2 shown, that hold the sensor to the stock switches. Carefully release these with a trim removal tool or a small flathead screwdriver and separate the switches. Disconnect the 2 electrical connections from the spring, blue arrow, that are connected to the steering column switches. You can replace the clock spring or column switches now. Installation is the reverse of removal. You will need to reprogram the clock spring if a new one has been installed. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.